It is said that if you allow your passion to become your purpose, then one day it will become your profession. A lot of us, especially those who are employed, always wonder, how is it to own a business? How will it be to take control of our time and our life? Before I stepped out of the corporate world, I too had similar thoughts. Having a dream to own a business is one thing, but to take steps to start your own business is an entirely different one, and a scary one at that. So in this video, I put together a few steps that you can use to discover your passion and turn that into your profession. And at the end of this video, you will also discover a free giveaway that I have for you. So let's get started. November is a World Entrepreneurial Month, and I've been reading up on the steep curve our country has taken. And I've also been having fantastic conversation with entrepreneurial leaders and academicians teaching entrepreneurship. You will watch these incredible conversations and gain amazing insights on entrepreneurship all through December. So ensure that you subscribe to my channel if you've not done already and click on the notification bell. We often choose career paths depending on how much they pay or because we have the skills to excel in them. At least that's how I began my career. In my son's case though, he knows exactly what he wants to do. He knows his passion and chose his education accordingly so that he can make it into his profession later in life. So identifying your passion is an obvious first step, but this is where a lot of us get stuck. What am I passionate about? If you already know your passion, then excellent, you can go to the next step. But if you've not, then you may pause here and reflect on this. I needed to work hard to discover what am I good at? What do I love doing? We all have things that we are interested in, but these are not necessarily your passions. For example, I love doing yoga. Yoga gives me joy. But is that my passion? Probably not. To discover your passion, make a list of all those things that give you joy. Among these are few activities that let you forget time and can be all-consuming. These could be your passions, and that's the first step. Once you shortlisted your passions, then you move on to the next step, which is to plan your career path. How do you want to translate your passion into a lifelong career? Do you want to be an entrepreneur or do you want to take up a job in that space? If your decision is to take up a job, then you know what to do now. But if your decision is to become a business owner, then you move on to step number 3, identify which passion is a viable business opportunity. For example, your passion could be to create custom jewelry or crafts. See if someone else has done it already and how did they do that. If there are not many relevant businesses out there, it doesn't mean that your passion isn't viable. You may have found the niche in the market that needs to be filled. On the flip side, even if there are several businesses like yours in the market, it shows the initial possibility. Step number 4 is for you to get trained or certified. When your passion becomes your profession, you will need to be qualified in it to succeed, especially if you are into professional services industry. That's what I've done. I wanted to be a coach, so I got myself certified from a reputed organization before announcing it to the rest of the world. There are tons of certificate courses online. Research a bit and find out which one is appropriate for your industry and get certified. Step number 5 is to create a business plan. This is a crucial step because it encourages you to think critically and practically about your passion. Doing market research, identifying potential customers, drawing out a financial plan, all these are important tasks that will help you consider how your dream can become a reality. Step number 6, don't have plan B. I read somewhere that you should have a plan B so that if you fail, there's something for you to fall back on. While I do recommend plan B on important things such as finances, I do not recommend it for your business. In my opinion, having a plan B pushes you into the comfort zone, and not having one, not having any options is going to push you beyond your limits. And finally, step 7, be patient. Remember, no matter what, you will face obstacles, setbacks, disappointments, and failures. Patience and confidence in yourself and what you're offering, your passions, is going to be your greatest asset. So there you go. That is my 7-step plan to make your passion into your profession. Now, if you're serious about taking this journey, I have a free giveaway for you. I'm offering a free pass to one of the segments in my Passion to Profession coaching program. All you need to do is click on the link in the description and register yourself. Remember to input the code 2511 when asked. The code is 2511 and I can't wait to meet you. That's it from me. What is your big takeaway today? Do let me know in the comment section below, or you may reach out to me in any of the social media platforms that I'm in. Thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video and find it resourceful, click on the like button and share it with your friends, and I'll see you next week. Until then, stay home, stay safe.